Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the package installer keeps stopping error on your phone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So if your Android device is currently facing internet problems, what you can do first is to reboot your device. So it might be responsible for this problem. So therefore, the first thing we suggest here is to restart your Android phone once. So restarting your device will start it afresh and solve the temporary issues prevailing on your device. So just follow the instructions right here to reboot your Android device. So first, just long press and hold the power button on the side of your phone, and then just tap the restart option in the power menu, and now wait for your device to restart, and once rebooted, check for the issue is solved or not. And next, what you can do is to force stop the package installer. So it is possible that the package installer is currently facing issues, and which is why it is not working. So therefore, after rebooting your device, we suggest you to force stop the package installer to fix the package installer not working on your Android. So first, just launch the setting application on your Android phone, and then scroll down and select app. And on the screen, tap the three dotted icon at the top right corner and click on to the system, and then just navigate and select package installer and tap the force stop option and click on force stop again to confirm. And once done, reboot your device once to allow the package installer to restart automatically again in the background. And then lastly, what you can do is to try and clear the package installer cache. So as said earlier, overloaded package installer cache is another major reason why the Android package installer fails to work. So also, it has been found that with time the caches get corrupted and start conflicting with the operation of the app or software. So therefore, it is suggested to clear the cache timely to avoid facing such a problem. So here are the steps on how you can do that. So first, just open your settings application again on your Android phone, and then navigate to the and choose apps, and then on the next screen, click onto the three vertical dots at the top right side and select option system. Then after that, scroll down and choose the package installer, and then click the storage option and tap onto the clear data and then clear cache options after the another. And so that's it for this video. That's are some troubleshooting steps that you can do for it to be able to fix your package installer stopped working. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.